Hi folks, welcome to another Chief Steamer video. In this video, I basically want to convince you to buy a steamer from me. I represent Chief Steamer. I've developed this brand. I work directly with the manufacturer, so I'm going to hopefully keep it very short, but I want to convince you of why you should buy from Chief Steamer, and particularly myself. You're probably going to deal with me, either pre-sale or after sale. You're going to deal directly with me. I'm the owner. Whether you like me or not, that's up to you, but I'm still going to service your machine. I'm still going to treat you right, and we're still going to take care of any problems that you have after the fact. I think I do as good or better of a job as anybody in putting videos out there before you buy videos, comparison videos, what the machines do, action videos to show them in action, what they can do, how they clean, how they're built. I think I'm the only one that takes a machine apart, shows you the guts of the machine. Hopefully you'll like that. I think I'm the only one that allows you to repair the machines. And I can, once we diagnose what the exact problem is, I've said this in other videos, I give you the opportunity to replace parts yourself. I don't require that you send the machine back to me for parts replacement. And again, with me asking some very good questions, figuring out what the problem is, and knowing that I'm probably 99% correct in my diagnosis, I will get the part out to you. And with our new video repair series, which we've just introduced, it actually shows you how to do the repair even before you might do it. There was a gentleman yesterday that needed a particular part on the machine. I told him to go to the video portion of the website to look at that repair. He decided he did not want to take on that repair and decided that he would rather ship the machine to me, which I have no problems with. But if you decide that this repair can be taken on by you, then we're good with that as well. Another reason for buying a steamer from me is, I think, pricing. I think I have some of the best prices out there compared to the competitors. We do a very, very good job at keeping the prices down. We do a good job at keeping inventory in stock. And I think you'll be happy with the types of machines that we have and the performance of the machines that we have. Our machines are rated some of the highest pressure of any of the machines out there. So I think for what you get, the size of the machine and the quality of these machines, because they're all built in Italy and built by a manufacturer that's been in business for 40 years, way longer than I've been in business, I think you can trust that these are going to be very, very good machines. So take a look at my website, take a look at the machines individually, obviously compare my machines against competitors, look at my videos on the competitors, look at the way I show you how to repair, diagnose problems. We dive into that. There's a lot of information on my machines, knowing, and I think I'm also the only one that's going to be honest and tell you that if you beat the crap out of these machines, which I know you're going to, they're going to break. And when they break, the key thing is getting them fixed. And that's the thing that we cover as much as trying to sell you another one. I'm not trying to sell you a brand new machine once it breaks. We want to get your machine repaired. And 9 times out of 10, these machines are easy to repair at a very good price if it happens not to be under warranty.